Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to change the time and date on the instrument cluster in an Alfa Romeo 159. Turn on the ignition. Press the menu button on the left stalk. Use the plus or minus buttons on the side of the stalk to navigate up and down. Select clock and set the time. Press the menu button again to confirm your selection. Scroll down and select the date option. Set the correct date using the buttons on the side of the stalk as shown in the video. After setting the date, confirm by pressing the menu button. Go to Exit menu or Quick Setup to leave the settings. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.